So self-sabotage is the place where everybody gets stuck, because if the subconscious mind runs 90% of the time and the conscious mind only 10% of the time, that we have more programs, beliefs, thoughts, emotions that we are not even aware of. So it's when we desire, it says that there is this saying that says, whenever you start to desire new things in your life, then your subconscious blocks will start to show up. Because when you start consciously to desire, okay, you see in your reality that you only have one client, let's say, and you want to have 5 clients, right? And you're like, okay, I'm going to have 5 clients. And you're trying to attract that reality. But if your subconscious mind doesn't see 5 clients as safe or as familiar, it will sabotage your progress. And how does that manifest? For example, you will procrastinate, you will do opposite things that you should do to bring more clients, and you will do all sorts of things that seems that are in conflict with your conscious desire, because some of the reason can be that your body is not used to hold a capacity for 5 people, or you associate more people with more responsibility and you subconsciously reject responsibility. So you want to, so of course that you will sabotage your progress. So that's why in subconscious reprogramming and in hypnosis we see exactly what are the beliefs underneath the blocks, so we can rewire the beliefs and change your reality.